Q8360. The lifting or flaking of the metal at the surface due to delamination of grain boundaries caused by the pressure of corrosion residual product buildup is called A. Brinelling, B. Granulation, C. Exfoliation. The correct answer is C. Exfoliation is a type of corrosion that occurs in metals, particularly aluminum alloys, where layers of metal are lifted or flaked away due to the buildup of corrosion products. It is caused by the pressure of the corrosion residual product buildup, which can cause delamination of the grain boundaries within the metal. 8361. A non-electrolytic chemical treatment for aluminum alloys to increase corrosion resistance and paint bonding qualities is called A. Anodizing, B. Alodizing, C. Dichromating. The correct answer is B. Alodizing is a surface treatment process for aluminum alloys that improves their corrosion resistance and paint bonding qualities. It involves immersing the aluminum in a solution that creates a thin, protective oxide coating on the surface of the metal. This coating is integral to the surface and provides a base for subsequent coatings, such as paint. Anodizing is a similar process, but it involves using an electrolytic solution to create the oxide coating. Dichromating, on the other hand, is a chemical treatment that is used to improve the corrosion resistance of some metals, but it is not specific to aluminum alloys. 8362. Which of the following are acceptable to use in cleaning anodized surfaces? A. Steel wool, aluminum wool, and fiber bristle brushes. B. Brass wire brushes and stainless steel wire brushes. C. Aluminum wool and fiber bristle brushes. The correct answer is C. Anodized surfaces are sensitive, and using abrasive materials like steel wool or brass wire brushes can easily scratch and damage them. Instead, it would be best to use aluminum wool or fiber bristle brushes, which are less abrasive and capable of cleaning the surface effectively without causing any damage. 8363. Intergranular corrosion in aluminum alloy parts? A. May be detected by surface pitting and white, powdery deposit formed on the surface of the metal. B. Commonly appears as thread-like filaments of corrosion products under a dense film of paint. C. Cannot always be detected by surface indications. The correct answer is C. Intergranular corrosion in aluminum alloy parts is a type of corrosion that occurs at the grain boundaries of the material. This type of corrosion can be difficult to detect because it often occurs beneath the surface and may not produce any visible signs or surface indications. However, when it does produce visible signs, they are not typically surface pitting or white, powdery deposits as mentioned in option A, or thread-like filaments of corrosion products under a dense film of paint as mentioned in option B. 8363-1. Which of the following may not be detectable even by careful visual inspection of the surface of aluminum alloy parts or structures? A. Filiform corrosion. B. Intergranular corrosion. C. Uniform edge corrosion. The correct answer is B. An assault on an alloy's grain boundaries known as intragranular corrosion frequently happens as a result of an uneven alloy structure. Ultrasonic and eddy current inspection techniques must be utilized to identify intragranular corrosion because it might be challenging to do so in its early stages.